Hello everybody, this is a review on my new knife. It is the Kershaw Storm 2. It's really cool. The handles are 410 stainless steel with what they call Trek Tech. It's kind of like sandpaper. Pretty good grip. I like the big huge clip. It's got like a tang. It is not spring assist. Dual thumb studs. Open split. 3.5-inch blade. Has a cool shape to it. It's pretty big. It's considered a tactical. Really cool. It's 5.8 ounces. The blade steel is, hold on, I have it written down right here. It is 13C26 stainless steel. The package says it has a removable, reversible pocket clip, but I don't know where it would go. I'm guessing these two screws, but I really like the big huge clip. It's pretty cool. It's really sharp. Fits good in your hand. Big. But I like it. So there's my review on the Kershaw Storm 2. Thanks for watching.